In the middle of Beverly Hills, there's a 6-ton cowboy on horseback. He doesn't move, but he wasn't supposed to stay still. This is John Wayne, or at least a version of him that defined the American West. A symbol of independence and a frontier myth, which makes this location unusual because there's nothing frontier about Wilshire Boulevard. The statue was commissioned by Great Western Savings and Loan, a bank that used Wayne as its public face. So this wasn't just a tribute, it was branding. A larger-than-life image of strength and trust placed directly in front of the building. But the artist behind it, Harry Jackson, was not a commercial designer. He was a serious Western artist known for capturing both mythology and the cost of that mythology. And that shows up not in the figure above, but down here. A cattle drive, chaos, a rider thrown from his horse. On the opposite side, a burial, cowboys standing over one of their own. Two sides of the same story, the danger and the consequence. Originally, the statue was designed to rotate, turning above the street. That idea didn't last. City officials shut it down. There's even an inscription at the base, easy to miss and not easy to read. Some people notice other details. Even debate whether the proportions are entirely realistic or just a trick of perspective. But what remains is the image, a cowboy built to represent the American West in the middle of modern Beverly Hills. A piece of advertising designed to sell trust that outlived the company it was built for. This looks like simple cowboy nostalgia, but it's actually a collision of art, advertising, and myth.